Hi friends, it's Nancy from nancyfurbshares.com. Today's message is specifically for my non-stamping friends and relatives. I want to introduce you to some products that I sell that I think you would enjoy and find very beneficial. They are kits. Professionals have designed these kits and prepped them so that you can put them together very easy and have cards or party favors when you're all done. My favorite current kit, and these will change as they sell out, new ones will be introduced, is the Sentimental Rose card kit. Isn't this a pretty card? I send a lot of birthdays, and this is a quick, easy card. I just love the way it has texture, it has soft colors. It's just so professional looking, and there is a nice coordinating envelope with it. Our kits run from $12 to $19, and they are great for gifts too. They come in a nice box like this, all ready to wrap, or you could even put a bow right on the top and give it as it is. Let's look inside. Inside is everything you need except a pair of scissors. So just add scissors and the fun will start. The directions for this kit show how to make 3 different designs, 3 cards each, so there's 9 cards and a box to put them in if you wish to give them as a gift, and this is $19. The directions are pictures, so very easy to follow. There's even a little ruler here to measure some twine that you'll put on your cards. On the back side, here's everything in the kit, plus a video link if you'd like to watch a professional put this card kit together. These are made by the company, these videos. Inside, here's some stamps. These are called photopolymer stamps, and they're clear. And you simply peel them off of the plastic sheet like this and put them on the enclosed block, and they stick. So easy. This is a mini ink pad. You'll open it up and you'll tap the ink on the image like that, and then go to some scratch paper first and stamp a couple of times so that you get used to how it feels. Let me read you the sentiments. They are so versatile. Congratulations, happy birthday, thinking of you, happy Mother's Day, best wishes for you, and thank you. You've got everything covered in this nice set. I use a lot of birthday cards, and I also need some sympathy, so I use the thinking of you for sympathy. These stamps don't wear out, so they can be reused many, many, many times. Inside you have embellishments, adhesive, some twine. Here's that little clear box that you will build and embellish according to the directions. And there are some layers here that have pretty flowers on them, soft flowers, a watercolor wash background, and here is some nice corrugated paper. This is little labels you just punch out for your sentiments. Here are envelopes. There's 3 different designs of envelopes to go with 3 different designs of cards. Everything you need is in this kit. It would make a great gift. You can give it as a gift. You can make the cards and give the finished cards as a gift, or you can keep it yourself. So you have lots of options there. These kits are great for rainy days, snowy days, perhaps someone that might be convalescing or recovering from a surgery and just doesn't have enough things to do. These kits are lovely, and they're very easy to follow. I think they are a great value. We have a nice assortment of different designs. This one is very feminine, but there are masculine kits available. There's also little boxes and bags for party favors or table favors. those are available too. I hope that you will go and check out the card kits that are available. Maybe purchase one or two, give one and keep one. See how you like them. You just might be back for more because they are very rewarding when you're done with your kit. You've had some fun making it, and now you have a very cute card to send. Please go to my website, nancyferbshares.com. And on the right-hand side, there's a banner. Click Shop Now, and that will take you to my online store. Now, if you're using a mobile device, it will look different. If you're on a mobile device, click the little hamburger, which will be up in the left-hand corner, and click Order. Then go to the products and find the kits collection. There you will see a very nice assortment of kits, all prepped and ready to go at a very nice price. Please give these a try. I think you will like them, and I think you'll be back for more. So it's time to go to Nancy Ferb Shares. Hope you enjoy putting together a kit or giving a kit. Thanks for now. Bye.